guys, it's Roy here from MarvelCo12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to take a look at the i-Blason Cosmo case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now this here is not a real Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 has not been released as of yet. However, this is a dummy device. A dummy device, for all intents and purposes, is a real device. It just doesn't turn on. These dummy devices are used by case manufacturers so they can have these cases ready to ship when the phone starts actually shipping. So we're going to be using that dummy device for our review here today. So this here is the Cosmo case, and I will tell you guys up front, this isn't the kind of case that I would normally go for. It's a little bit more on the girly side than the cases I normally like. However, that being said, these are awesome cases and they protect your device insanely well. They come in a wide variety of colors, so as i-Blason says, you can pick your pretty and accessorize your favorite outfits or mix and match with other accessories. That being said, there's a lot of great things going for these cases other than just the looks. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to use this one for our video today. They are all the same other than the looks, but they all come with this little plastic cover on them. The Cosmo case comes with two different pieces. There's a hard plastic piece that transitions into a softer plastic on the side, makes it a little bit easier to grip, and then you have this other plastic piece on the inside. So you see here there's this little sticker that says separating front casing from rear case. Wants you to do it in that bottom corner. So you stick your fingernail there in the bottom right corner, you pull the case down, peel that piece out. Once you've got that out, you set it face down. So this is the outside of the, or the front of the case. You want to set that face down. You're going to take your phone and you're going to slide it in. And I recommend doing it with the power and the volume buttons in first. Then you take it, you pick it up, and then you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to start it here at the bottom. So just push that down in on the corners. Make sure it goes in all the way around so you get that snap in all of it. And then once it's all on, you'll see there it's a super snug fit. That phone is in there very comfortably, and because of that design, that phone is never going to fall out and it's going to be protected as much as humanly possible. This case is screen protector friendly, so you can put a screen protector on here. I don't have one on here at this time because it's a dummy device. First thing you'll notice about that front is that there is a raised lip that goes across the top and the bottom that allows you to set that phone face down without having to worry about your screen getting scratched up. So the other thing you'll see here on the front is there's this little notch or this cutout that allows you to use your front-facing speaker without the case getting in the way of the audio. Here on the sides, we do have the cutouts for the power, the volume down, and the volume up buttons. And as you can hear there, they do maintain their natural clickiness, and unfortunately I can't power on the device to tell you if it actually works or not, but based on my prior experience with cases similar to this one, I don't think you're going to have any issues. Here up top we do have the cutouts for the noise cancelling mic, and here on the bottom we do have a cutout for your microphone, your USB-C charging port, the speaker, as well as your S Pen. Unfortunately, this is a dummy device, so the S Pen doesn't come out. However, there is a nice large area there so that you can use your fingernail to stick that in and pull that out. And then here on the back we do have the last of the cutouts. We've got two different cutouts here for the camera, the flash, and the other sensors. And as you can see there, those are deeply recessed so that you could set those face down, or you could set it down on its back without having to worry about the camera getting scratched up. As I said earlier, these aren't quite the style of cases that I would normally go for. They're a little bit more on the girly side than the type of case that I normally like. Now that being said, they are awesome cases, they look good, and they provide some great protection there. They're especially going to be providing you with lots of drop protection or grip protection, so you're going to be holding this and it's not going to be slipping out of your hand and you're not going to be dropping it at all. And the best part is it does it for the super affordable price of $20, and we'll have a link in the video description down below where you can order one for yourself. If you guys have any questions about i-Blason, about the Cosmo, or about the Note 10 Plus, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.